We're out here today at the Monbrook Fossil Site with school teachers from around the state of Florida. They're here to have hands-on experience with digging up 5 to 6 million-year-old fossils from an ancient river deposit, and to take those experiences and translate them back into their classroom.
When you can actually take materials and give them to your students, giving them hands-on things to do changes the room completely. And they really get engaged and they really learn so much more than trying to give them worksheets or a textbook. It's a great way to connect into learning.
When we bring real things into the classroom, like fossils, for example, it's really highly engaging for the kids. Having that hands-on piece and that, the touching, the feeling, and even just the weight of it in their hands, it means more than talking about anything just out loud or even, doing a simulation online. It's much better to have something in your actual hands. So it just makes life more real for them and makes science more real for them. And that's my purpose.
For me to be able to experience this and then take all the knowledge that I have and excite them about science, I just can't wait. This is going to be awesome.